Hello my dears, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ellie and I am a British English pronunciation specialist. In the video today, we're going to look at this vowel here. It's ah, ah. We need to make sure for this vowel that the tongue is front, that the jaw is dropped, the mouth is open. Ah, ah. We also want to make sure that this sound is nice and short. We don't want ah or ah. We want ah, ah. Actually, this sound in a British accent is usually shorter than in an American accent. Ah. Now, I am sure that you have noticed that English spelling is an absolute nightmare. Well, luckily, with this vowel here, we've got a very simple spelling. It is almost always spelt with the letter A. For example, these words here: cat, back, bag, happy. Very occasionally, it can be spelt AI, like plaid or plat, but these are actually pretty unusual words. Ah, like that. And there we go, short and sweet. Make sure that you are following, that you are subscribed, and I will see you in the next pronunciation video.